Hi, today I'm with me Cat S75 and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off silent mode on this device. So to do that, we should press up or down volume button, then you'll see here this bell icon. Just tap on it and switch it to the cross bell. So now our calls and notifications they will be muted, so this means that the silent mode is activated. If you want to turn it off by the same way, press up or down volume button, tap the cross bell and switch it to the regular one. Now our calls and notifications they will ring, so this means that the silent mode is turned off. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.